What's going on, YouTube? Back at you with another video. This is me repairing my Lg V20 camera glass that shattered on me. I was able to go online and find a part which will be included in the video as well, and a little bit of instructions on how to repair or replace the camera glass. Shout out to Unifix, if I'm pronouncing that right. They provided me with all of the tools that I needed. So again, shout out to them. All right, here you see me removing the shattered glass, trying to get all of it out, and kind of taking the shard glass and disposing of it. Also being careful not to damage the actual camera lens. All right, pretty much got all of it removed. I'm going to take a piece of tape to kind of make sure I've gotten everything out, clean everything out. No glass, none left over. Finished product. On to the next step. Here's the replacement lens. Front, back. Now I'll start to apply the replacement lens. It has that adhesive on the back, so pretty much just drop in. Put it in place and give it enough pressure so it'll hold. Finished product. Hey, this was only like a 5 to 10 minute project, man. So real easy. Like I said, shout out to Unifix for giving me the tools to get it done.